again with another YouTube video. Excuse my voice, I'm just getting over a bad cold. But I kept saying that I was going to be more consistent on my YouTube and start doing more install videos and, you know, tutorials or whatever. So today I'm going to be showing y'all my install on one of my clients. She had booked a synthetic wig install with the wig included. And she got the synthetic wig Evona from Outre in the color 1. It is a 13x6 lace, I believe. It's curly hair. It's really good hair. I've worked with this unit before, so I already knew this unit was gonna be cute. And the hair quality is really good. Just to give y'all a heads up, when y'all do like go out looking for synthetic wigs to buy, if y'all want to start installing them on y'all clients, I do have an ebook available for purchase as well. You can purchase it in the link. I'll put the link in the description below. And also, if you want to know how to really install the wigs like how I do, because I mean, I'll show you the full install, but it's not really full because I do have a wig install class that you can buy. I have an online one that's pre-recorded. I'll put it in the link below. And I have one-on-one classes that you can book for as well. Also, the wig install class does not come with the plucking class. The plucking is a very important part of your installs. I have a plucking class that's online and a one-on-one plucking class as well. So I'll put all the links for those below. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this install. So let's get into it. seen, the install came out mad cute. The hair was very good quality hair. You can curl it or straighten that hair if you want to as well. In my next videos that I'll make, I'll probably show you guys some well, in this one actually I'm gonna upload this video next for this hair because I curled this hair. I can't wait to show y'all that one. But follow me on, I'm gonna put my new Instagram, well, my backup Instagram, in the link below, because the Instagram that I had, somebody tried to hack me and they disabled my page. So hopefully I'll get that page back because it's under review. But if not, just follow my backup page. I'll put my TikTok and everything, and I'll put my booking links in the description below as well. So if you're in Atlanta, come book me, and hopefully y'all see you guys soon.